President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. bared that one of his directives to incoming Education Secretary Sani Angara is to ensure the welfare of teachers in order for them to focus on teaching. In an ambush interview in Sulu on Friday, July 5, President Marcos said he already talked to Angara and he emphasized to the outgoing senator that the government should financially support teachers who have families to feed.
I reminded Senator Angara that the key to any successful program in the DepEd are the teachers. So I said we have to take care of the teachers. We have to even, of course, financial to make sure that they can feed their families. Kasi we tend to forget sometimes that teachers have families. We see them just as teachers. They have families and they have to take care of their families. And they cannot teach properly kung inaalala nila yung lagay ng pamilya nila.
The president also told Angara to retrain teachers, stressing that they must be retrained to adjust to the constant changes in teaching, especially in the advent of technological development.
The other part of it is the non-financial is the retraining. Because ang bilis, we all know, ang bilis ng development lalo na sa technology. Na within 1 year, obsolete na. Within 2 years, obsolete na. Kaya turuan natin ulit. So that's what we will do. We'll beef up that part of it.
Senator Angara earlier said he would study the proposal to increase the entry-level salary of public school teachers. Angara, who was named by President Marcos as the successor of Vice President Sara Duterte at the Department of Education, said he not only wants better working conditions for teachers but also improved salaries and benefits for them. Aside from increased salary, Angara said he aims to give teachers better working conditions by reducing their non-teaching tasks so they could concentrate on their main duty. Nel Maribuho, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.